Okay guys, so we're trading the NASDAQ here with the imbalance pattern. We're up 430 and we got this short trade here. Um, so it depends. Sometimes some people ask me if you can get bigger targets. Of course you can get bigger targets, okay, but the thing is that I sometimes trade without the trend, so I trade to get smaller targets on imbalances. But if you are trying to get bigger trades, for example, you can trade with the step MA. The step MA will provide you a guidance on the, for example, do not trade in yellow areas, which is when the market is consolidating. So there's no trade here. For example, this long is above the linear regression. So you can go long here. This is over 200 ticks. Okay, so for example, here is over 400 ticks. So it all depends what you're trying to achieve. So like I said, it all depends what you're trying to achieve. And for example, you can use a support and resistance, or anything that can help you, for example, draw a resistance, a support, where the market is just, well, doing nothing, just doing nothing. Okay, so this is a fake breakout here. Okay, so there's so many things that okay, so you can use many indicators, okay, and trade the, because there's algos that that trade these markets, and they're trying to fool you, okay, trying to fool you, and trying to make you believe is that they're gonna break to the high or something, and the market is really, it's just going sideways. So it's automation can work, yes, it can work, but you gotta have very consistent rules of what you're trying to look for and your risk. Okay, so if you see the market in the morning when the opens, the pushes are 50, 60 ticks in 1 second. So if I'm using two contracts here at the volatility that is in the morning, you can easily lose a lot of money. So you saw the push right here. It took 154 seconds to form this imbalance. Okay, so let's see if he gets the first profit. Okay, there goes the second imbalance. So you see, the market is always going down. For example, up, they already broke. We are the step MA is red, so it can be a good trend filter to trade. So I can just if we're in the trade, and I will like to get this to 100 tick, 200 ticks, and manage the trade. It's possible. I just use another ATM, or just cancel the order, or just cancel the ATM and just leave the order without a stop loss and everything. Okay, so I can add to the position later. Okay, after another congestion. Okay, because the market moves in steps. It's the first brick, second brick. Now it's accumulation is over. They already broke out. So that's where they're going. Okay, guys, this is not market replay, guys. This is not market replay. Okay, here is this is my time. It's 24th of March. It's noon. So this is not replay. None of my videos I replays. I do not do replay. Okay, I can keep on moving the stop or something, but I just
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm out. So as you can see, it was like over $600 trade. You saw it in real time. But like I said, it all depends what you're looking for. The system has a lot of filters, but for example, you see this manipulation here. Over here, you see the push, then they bring it up. Okay, so if you are short here, this reversal would have stopped you out. So it all depends about the market mood. It's there's so many variables that you can trade. You can go to a 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. You can go to a 30-minute chart and just trade. Okay, trade the trend. Okay, you can open a trade on a 15-minute chart, like I said, 30-minute chart, and don't take all these trades. Okay, it all depends what type of trader you are. You see the imbalance here. So the market just reversed. Okay, this can be short-lived, profit taking. Okay, so of course everybody's scared to be in the market. Traders, you gotta be aware that the market is always taking profits. Always, these guys they take a trade and immediately start getting profit. Okay, so I have heard many YouTube channels about traders, you know, high frequency traders and everything. They make 10,000 trades a day, so they just call for one tick, and they have some kind of agreement with the broker. Okay, so if based on the fees, so it's you see that's an animal that lies behind all those bars and all those charts that you need to address and you need to fight because it's incredible. Somebody uh, trading for one tick, two ticks is ridiculous. You will never, as a retail trader, you will never make money that way. You will never make money. So I encourage traders. Okay, so you got the if you have the imbalance pattern, the visual imbalance, do your homework. Okay, do your homework and just don't fall into these kinds of trades. Okay, so maybe you can add to the position. Okay, once the market is uh, going down, for example, or up, the volatility is 1,000 ticks up or down. So there's plenty of room. If there's gonna be a run, there's gonna be a run. Okay, so you can add to that position instead of making small trades. Well, it all depends. It all depends what type of trader you are. So as you can see, the system works, but you need to pay attention, be aware. Don't trade when the market is heavily traded. When these guys are trading, that's why you see all those pullbacks because there's lots of companies trading all those levels. So they're just taking profits, of course, pushing the market up against the trend, and that's where you're gonna get stopped out. And it's it's very lame. It's very pity. So it's better to get higher time frames. You can go to a 1,000 tick chart in the NASDAQ and provides very good signals, more smoother. Okay, so the stops needs to be a little bit bigger only. That's the only thing. Okay, the higher the time frame, the bigger the stop. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. There's the link in the description of this video, the link to purchase the indicator. Okay, so the indicators comes with the step MA filter. You can filter the bar size. We here are filtering the bar size. We are not using a doji bars or something. This type of bars are excluded. We don't need this type of bars because it's a doji. As you can see, we just look when the bar gets momentum. We have a indicator inside that measures the speed of the bar in milliseconds. So we're getting to a stage that the indicators have become very good. But the market, you are fighting a market that everybody wants money. So we gotta be aware of that, and we cannot get fooled. Okay, so we need to trade with the trend, and that's the only way to make money. Trade with the trend. Don't counter trend because that will just break your account and you're gonna lose everything. Okay, guys, so I'm a little sore from my throat. I can't talk too much. But thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so there's the link in the description. There's my contact information if you want to learn more. And thanks for watching, guys. And I speak Spanish too, guys. So you can ask me anything in Spanish and in español, and I can answer you.